This is a trike. This is what's going to change the golf industry. It's something that's going to make it more fun, faster rounds. You're going to go quicker to your ball. If anybody else is in a golf cart, my ball's on the opposite side of theirs. So this is going to make it faster. They're going to be able to speed play up, and they're going to be able to generate more revenue with these. This is Jake. Jake is going to demonstrate on how to attach the bag and to get on the trike. All right, Jake, what we will do is we want to make sure the brakes are applied, which they are. If they weren't, it would not stand on its own. All right, Jake, now please apply the bag and make sure the pocket that has your balls faces you. It allows it to fit in the basket just like it should. Wrap the strap around the bag and secure the bag in. Once the bag is secured in, then you want to stand on the back of the trike. And then you can disengage the brakes by pulling them forward. Once you disengage the brakes, this is your throttle. Your throttle, when it's rolled back towards your body, will propel you forward. So go ahead, Jake, and try this out. Re-engage the brakes, and you're able to get off. Just to keep in mind, when you are driving the trike or using the trike, make sure you do not turn too sharp. Too sharp and too slow is not good. So you have to keep your speed up and turn larger radius. Go out there, be safe, have fun, and shoot a great round.